Well, that's my car. This should take about 2 hours to dig out. Let's see. Oh, at least. Maybe I just get the front of the car out. That would be better. But we'll see how this works. Maybe it's not so bad. Maybe it is. My car's on a downhill, which I can probably just get the front out and roll it down the hill. Never know. We'll see how this works. Took about a half hour, but I dug my car out. So tired. Look at this spot. I knew as long as I get the front out with front wheel drive, I should be fine. And it worked out. So now on to the next car, which is no fun either. But at least it's in the parking lot. So it was one hell of a storm. I guess my sister was right. They did say 18 inches, and it sure felt like it. Massive storm. All right, we got the car out. Good sign. Good sign, good sign. Good sign, good sign. All right. On to the next car.